I'm going to show you how you can easily add Google Authenticator to Coinbase. First, log in to your Coinbase account and navigate to the settings page. Next, click on two-factor authentication and then enable 2FA. Then, choose Google Authenticator as your 2FA method. Coinbase will provide a QR code that you need to scan using the Google Authenticator app. Now open the Google Authenticator app and tap on the plus button and add a new account. Following that, point your camera at the QR code and scan it. The app will automatically detect the code and add it to your account list. Once the QR code is scanned, you will be prompted to verify the account. Enter the account name and secret key provided by Coinbase. You can find these details on the Coinbase settings page. After verifying the account, you'll be prompted to set up the account. Then, enter the account name and secret key again to confirm. Tap on Save to save the account.